everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Kemps. Today we're going to be doing some old school homemade hamburgers, but with a twist. So I'm going to use some beef short rib. I got about two and a half pounds of that, and I got some ribeye steaks. So today the twist is we're going to grind our own meat. I've never done this before, it's my first time, so hopefully it turns out perfectly. I have not tested this before this video, so basically I got my ribeyes. I'm going to cube these up so we can put them in the grinder. And they're already about 80-20 ratio, so I shouldn't have to worry about that too much. So I'm just gonna cut them in a little cube like this. If you want a little leaner, you can cut out more of the fat. This looks like it's going to make a lot of patties. So I may use the leftovers for tacos. Or something else. You don't want no hard fat. See, this piece is hard, so I'm going to get some of that out of there. I think that's enough fat left on there. All right, so that's it for the ribeyes, and then I got the short ribs. So I'm just gonna cut it off the bone here. I'm not gonna throw these bones away. I'm gonna make like some beef broth or something out of this. So I'll keep that. So I'm going to do the same thing with these, just kind of cube them up. Actually, I could put all these over here. And then once I'm done, these are going to go in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm done now. This is my leftover fat here. And here is my tray of cubed meat. So right now we're gonna go in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes just so we can get this meat really cold. When it goes to the grinder, it's gonna be hot, so we wanna make sure that it doesn't overheat. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer and I'll be right back with the next step. All right guys, so here's the part we're gonna grind the meat up. Hopefully my meat is still cold. I had the wrong plate on there, so I'm doing this over again. So let me turn this thing on to level 4. I'm gonna run it back through with the coarse one or the finer one. It's just too big for ground beef. This is more like chili meat. The light just went out. Like I said, I'm gonna change the blade on here, or the disc on here, and then, or I guess it's called a die. I'm gonna change that, so we want it a little finer. So as you can see now, it's coarse here. So I'm gonna send it through one more time. So let me change that, I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go with the second time. Yeah, that's more the ground beef size right there. Look how red that meat is. It's gonna be nice.
And what kind of meat is this again?
Ribeye and short rib.
Wow. That's gonna be a heck of a burger.
That's it. So I'm gonna finish this off. And then we'll be back once I start cooking the meat. All right, so now we're ready to make these burger patties here. This meat looks really, really nice. So I'm going to, should I weigh this out? Or just eyeball it? Just gonna eyeball it. I think that's good right there. Is that big enough? Try not to overwork my meat. Yeah, I think that's big enough. So I got some salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder in here. Nice little season here. And then I'll season the other side once I put it in the skillet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to form these patties the same way you just saw me do that one. I'm going to form the patties and then I'm going to sit them in the fridge and let them tense up a little bit. And then I'll show you guys cooking them on the stove here. So I'm going to finish making these patties and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so now we got our skillets piping hot. We've already put the burgers in. I'm going to go ahead and season the backside. I'm going to wait till I get a nice crust before I flip this over. I'm actually considering having a double today, but I'm not. I'm just gonna need a single. But I am gonna use like 2 or 3 pieces of cheese. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So you can see the edges here getting nice and crispy. So once you start seeing a little blood come up, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. My hands are washed and clean. So I got this thing on really low. So I'm still gonna toast my bun as well. So for my bun, I'm just gonna go in with some mayo. Let me get something to spread that with. Put a little mayo down. There we go. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one, bottom one. So instead of using butter, I'm using mayo. I'm just gonna let those toast. I'm gonna let my cheese melt, and then I will start building my burger. So I'll be right back. Let me give you guys a look real quick. Here we go. So we'll be right back. All right, so my bun is nice and toasted. I'm gonna go ahead and take my patty off. I'm gonna dress this burger up. So yes, I am adding more meal. Gotta have meal on the burger. That's enough. ketchup for sure. Alright, so I got my veggies all cut up here. So I'm gonna go in with some lettuce, tomato,
left overhead garage sensor.
pickles, and some onions, red onions. Of course, I need some more black pepper. I love black pepper on my burger. Then I need a little salt for my fries. They just came out of the toaster oven. All right. Let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. All right, time for the taste test. Let me get a napkin because I know it's gonna be messy. A little ketchup for my fries. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and try this taste test. I've already set my grace. Let's go ahead and get started. Man, look at that cheese. Holy moly. Look how juicy this burger is. I'll show you guys up close. This is an amazing burger. Remember, this is ribeye. Excuse me. Remember, this is ribeye and short rib. And you can tell. This is like a burger you would get like at one of those 5-star restaurants. And I'm pretty sure they make their own patties. This burger is amazing. You definitely gotta give it a try. Everything about this burger is perfect. How about at the end of this video, I know how to get back to this burger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more recipes like this, please make sure you leave a comment. Excuse me. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.